Yeah, welcome again back to the Donuts Food and Lifestyle channel. So, like we said before, on the pumpkin, ooh, it's hot, it's hot, it's hot, it's hot. Like we said before, we're gonna come back again to do the seasoning. So these are both my season, as you've heard of the Aunt May 13 blend before, all natural, and this is the sea salt. Pretty much, we had them in. So that's what we're gonna do at this point in time to season the pot with the ultimate seasoning. And me, you can't follow me when it comes on to seasoning because I love flavor. Flavor is the name of my game. All right, so that's adequate enough for tablespoon. So here we'll be adding in. So we'll need a little bit of water in here again. Go in. Because not only that we love that squash sucked up all that water into the squash. So we're gonna smash it a little bit. Smash it just a little bit. And we're gonna bring the fire down to 2 and let that cook in. So right now we're doing some rice also. And that rice is gonna work with this. My arm is a little bit tweaked at this point, but I'm working through it. So now this is considered a meat or vegetarian meat kind. And of course, I do eat meat as well, but there are times where I go full-fledged and just do get into get into just doing only vegetables. Switch the thing up now and again. Get it going. Get it nice and all. So once we get on with that, thank you for watching. And it was nice having you. This is where we stop. Like, share, comment, and also introduce people. And don't forget the Aunt May 13 blend spice. We have it in 3 different sizes right now. This is the biggest size, which is a 5 ounce. And we have the 2 ounce and the 1 ounce. So basically you will be able to go in and click on the link, do the purchase, and get your shipped to you. All right, thanks and peace out.